Today I'm going to be testing the new Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. This is what the box looks like. I actually bought this foundation a month ago and I've just had it sitting there and I'm like, I've been dying to try it and I'm like, oh, should I use it for a video or should I just dive into it? And then I was like, screw it, I'll just save it for a video, and today's the day I'm finally gonna try it. So I've heard it's like full coverage. I've heard it has like a smell, but yeah, that's about it. So I got the shade 140 Cashew. I didn't even try it on in the store because like there was literally this, I think a really pale shade like 110, which I was like, nah. Or a really, really dark shade, which was like really dark. So I was like, I don't know, because it was just after New Year's. So I was like, oh damn, I'll just pick this up anyway and hope that it works. So I'm gonna try this side of my face with a beauty blender. I've just wet it now. And then I'm gonna try this side of my face just with a Real Techniques brush. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I like the feel of it for some reason. I really like how it says Huda Beauty. I like the colors and I like the print. And it comes with a pump. So I've just pumped a couple of pumps on the back of my hand and I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and apply it. That's weird. Feels like thick or moussey kind of thing. Ooh, God. Smells like perfume. Oh my God. I literally can't see my skin anymore. Oh, and the color match isn't bad, I think. Oh, it's a bit pale. No. Those like 2 pumps that, no, actually, like that was like 2 pumps and I didn't even use it all. What the hell? It's like done my whole half face. Damn, I feel like it is pale. Oh no, I needed like a shade darker, I feel. I'm just gonna go in with this. Just put it around my nose. Oh my God, it looks so weird with the hell. Oh. So far, okay, this is what I think. 1, I feel like I look a bit like a ghost. 2, the coverage is actually really good. And 3, like that perfume smell, like when I put it on my face, I kind of feel like my face felt a bit tingly, so I don't know about that. So yeah, that's just a few things to keep in mind. Definitely make sure you get matched to a shade. Don't do what I did. Second, like maybe get it swatched on your face to see if you get that tingle like I did, because I don't know, that was a bit weird. But other than that, like the coverage is pretty good. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the other side of my face now with a brush and we can see if that has like, gives me like less coverage or whatever. So I'm just gonna dot it because whatevs. It's really thick, lol. But yeah, I heard really good things about this foundation. I think it was 65 Australian bucks, which is a lot of money. I don't know, if you guys like think, oh, you wanna give it a go, do it. But yeah, it's a lot of money. It's quite thick actually. I haven't used a foundation this thick in so long. I don't like what the brush is doing. Ugh, so much harder to use. I feel like that looks so much nicer and the brush just looks like a mess. I definitely apply this with a beauty blender. Defs. But I'm gonna make it work, guys, because like I'm not gonna be one of those people that gets my beauty blender and is like, oh, screw it, and like starts patting it all around. Like I'm just gonna stick to my brush side and stick to my beauty blender side and make this shit work. Like it's workable, obviously. I'm just looking at the 2 sides. I think I definitely like this side better. I feel like this side has like sheerer coverage for some random reason with the brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply more to the side. I'm still getting that like tingling sensation right now. Ah, go away. It's not the worst, but it's just like this weird sensation that I don't usually get with other foundations. Like I don't think I've ever really gotten it before. Oh my God. Oh my God, I just realized what this foundation reminds me of. It reminds me of that Chi Chi Stay Fabulous foundation, which was like a lot cheaper. And it gave me that sensation too, and it was just as thick as this. Oh no. Damn, no, I feel like I just wasted $65. I had to try it though. Oh my God. Stop blending out. Well, it looks better with a second layer, I guess. Oh, why is that a bit cakey, I feel? I can't blend it out with the brush anymore, it like dried too quick. So I think that's why I need a beauty blender, because like that wetness kind of like takes away it drying as fast. So my thoughts are, it's very full coverage, which is like awesome if you're into that, and like I am, but I'm not fully into it just because I feel like it's a tiny bit light. I look a bit like a ghost. I'm also not happy with these like little things on this side shining through. Like, no way, man, like these need to go. So why is it doing that? I don't know. I feel like I'm wearing like a mask, to be honest. It's like, shit, I haven't worn this full coverage in ages. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, so I've completed all of my makeup and it hasn't like gotten worse since I actually applied the foundation, to be honest. Applying the concealer was a little bit weird for a second. Like, I couldn't really blend out my concealer over the top of the foundation because the foundation was so thick, but like it did end up blending out eventually. Like, the only things I don't like is that I honestly feel like Lauren Curtis, which is like with her, all her like how she always says how she gets like a million wrinkles under her eyes and around her mouth. Like, she always looks like 100 years old when she wears foundation, and like I'm so scared of looking like that. So I feel a bit like her, not as bad obviously, but like around here, and like it's not that bad with other foundations. Yeah, I don't know. At first the coverage is thick and you can get full coverage obviously with this foundation very easily, but I feel like I prefer my more lightweight foundations where I can build a medium to full coverage and feel like my skin can breathe. Like, I feel like I can't move my face almost, just because like, I don't know, it just reminds me of the days when I used to slap on like Revlon Color Stay and couldn't move my face like back 4 or 5 years ago. Like, so do I recommend this foundation for $65? Nah, to be honest guys, like it's good. I'll probably continue using it here and there, but I don't know, I just won't be wearing it every day. Like yeah, I don't know. I think the colour's gotten a bit better somehow because like I've got my bronzer and stuff on. Like, I really had to bronze up my face. There are a couple of alternative foundations. I would recommend the Chi Chi Stay Fabulous foundation. It's literally the same thing. Like, it's thick, it's full coverage, it has that scent, and it kind of made my skin tingle, and that's why I threw it away. And I think it was $30 to $40, which is obviously cheaper than the $65 foundation Huda Beauty is. Other similar foundations would probably be like MAC Studio Fix or something along those lines, really thick and heavy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Huda Beauty foundation. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out this glossy eye with the bold lip look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!